Hello dear ones. Hope you are keeping well. This video is to share our experiences for the first time breeders to ensure your well prepared produce happy, healthy puppies. You might not think of yourself as a dog breeder, but if you own a female dog and you allow her to produce a litter of puppies, then by definition, you are. This role comes with responsibilities. Hope you will find some useful information here. There are some signs that you will see from your dog when it is ready to whelp. Let us share the signs that indicated us that Dusky is due to whelp. She started to nest, tearing up newspaper and bedding. She isolated herself and never came out of her house. Panting started to happen and we saw contractions. Around 6 a.m. in the morning, she gave birth to 6 cute puppies. After birth, mother dogs should be monitored constantly for the first week. She should get plenty of rest and return to eating and drinking normally without any complications. You should only touch or pick up a newborn puppy if you observe that it is sick, if the mother abandons it, or in the case of orphaned puppies. Otherwise, the mother will take utmost care. We never thought that Dusky would growl at us. She became protective towards her litter. Dusky was restless on the day of birth. She came out only for a minute and went back again to her puppies. We removed and replaced all soiled material from the whelping box with clean, soft bedding. We did not bathe her after she gave birth, but gently cleaned her with a warm damp cloth. Dusky was quite restless on day 1. She was showing her teeth and growling when we went near the puppies. Aggressive behavior after giving birth is usually the result of a female's instinct to protect her pups. From day 2, she allowed us close to the puppies but growled when we tried to touch them. She regularly cleaned the puppies of any placental remnants and was eating whatever she cleans from them. This recycling of birth matter is a survival instinct that hides the scent that will attract any potential predators. Normally the new mother will spend most of her time with the puppies. For the first few days it may be difficult to get her to leave the nest even to go to the bathroom. However, in case of Dusky, by end of day 3 since birth, she started to play with us, leaving the puppies alone for some time and continued to urinate and defecate normally. On day 3, Dusky was quite comfortable in moving around. We were able to touch the puppies. Though she became comfortable in moving around leaving the pups alone, when she is feeding her pups, she will never come out. She would wait for us to bring the food bowl inside her house. You can hear squeaks now. They're simply small sounds puppies make as they creep around in search of their mother for yet another meal. Sometimes they even make sounds while sleeping. On day 4, we noticed the squeaks were more frequent and the temperature was 33 degrees Celsius. So we decided to move the puppies outside to get some fresh air and also to clean the whelping sheets. We were not sure if Dusky would allow us to do this. She became restless but did not growl. This is when we had a closer look of the puppies. Pups are born unable to see or hear. You can see their eyes remaining tightly shut. For the first week almost all they will do is sleep and feed, putting all their energies into gaining weight, gradually getting stronger every day. After a while Dusky was unchained. She was at ease now. She allowed us to touch them. She fully understood why we were doing this. Can you hear the squeaking? Do you want to know where it is coming from? See this. Some more squeaking from the panther. On day 6, we had rainfall. Puppies are born without teeth and with their eyes and ears closed. Naturally, they depend on their mother to keep them safe and healthy. Young puppies cannot maintain their own body temperature for a week or two after birth. As long as the puppies stay close to their mother, the room temperature is not too critical. However, if the mother leaves her puppies alone, they need to be provided with an external source of warmth. Dusky was inside most of the time to give warmth. We used a digital thermometer on the inside of the whelping box to know the temperature inside the dog house. Puppies typically lay side by side or on top of each other to share warmth. This is critical for their weight gain and growth. As Dusky is a small breed, it is expected for its puppies to gain about 5 ounces per week. Successfully completed a week, and this is how they looked after a week. During the first weeks of life, before their eyes open, puppies should feed and sleep for at least 90% of the time. Weight loss in a puppy is a cause for concern. Therefore, we are keeping records of all the puppies' weights. We were excited and are hoping to see how they grow in the forthcoming weeks. Thanks for watching.